Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add your nickname on Facebook using your PC. This new update allows you to personalize your profile, making it easier for friends and family to recognize you by a name you prefer. Let's get started with the steps. First, open Facebook in your web browser and log into your account. If you're already logged in, you're just a few clicks away from adding that nickname. Next, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where all the magic happens. Once you're on your profile, look for the About section. This is where you can manage various details about yourself, including your nickname. In the About section, find and click on Details About You. Here, you'll see various options related to your personal information. Now, it's time to add a nickname. Look for the option that says Add a Nickname under the Other Names category. Click on this option to proceed. You'll be prompted to choose a name type from a drop-down menu. Make sure to select Nickname, as this will categorize the name correctly. After selecting the name type, it's time to enter your nickname in the provided field. Make sure it's spelled correctly, since this is how your friends will see it. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial, as it ensures that your changes are recorded. And there you have it. You've successfully added your nickname to your Facebook profile. Now, when friends visit your page, they'll see the name you go by in addition to your legal name. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might want to personalize their profiles too. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy connecting with friends using your new nickname.